Good morning. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Hudson.
Morning, Your Honor. May I please acknowledge court to death law P63901 of DDS representing Mr. Hudson, who sits to my right. Could you please place your name on record?
Yes, Hudson. Thank you. All right, so we're going to take a straight up guilty plea to count 2, the intoxicated driving, right? And plead with added charge of an attempt, 4th degree fleeing and eluding, which would be a 1-year misdemeanor, I think, right? And then the original 1 and 3 would be dismissed. Got that right? All right. Mr. Hudson, did you go over your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of attempt, 4th degree fleeing and elude?
He asked you a question.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of the attempt, fleeing and elude, 4th degree? Yes. And you understand the possible penalty for the charge of intoxicated driving? All right. Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to those 2 charges today? Counsel, would you voir dire to give me the facts that support the pleas?
Gotcha.
That's all right. I can give you an incident date, September 22nd, 2020, in the city of Romulus.
Riding a vehicle.
Yeah.
And when you were intoxicated at that time?
Yeah.
And at that time, did the police attempt to stop you?
Yeah.
Okay, and you did not stop. You did the investigation.
All right. And was there a blood test or a breath test?
Blood test.
Do you know the results of that test, sir? Counsel, would you stipulate that it was 0.08 or more? You satisfied that I've got the facts I need?
That.
So am I. I'll dismiss the original counts as per the agreement. All right. Mr. Hudson, we're going to send you downstairs to our probation department. They're going to schedule with you to come back for a pre-sentence interview. Based on that interview, the probation department will prepare a written report and a recommendation of sentence. You understand that? Would you follow them through the sentence, counsel?
Absolutely.
All right. So when you come back for your sentencing date, and you go down and pick the date. All right. So on the sentencing date, when you come back, you and counsel will have a chance to go over that report and recommendation. I will have looked at the report and recommendation. Then we'll have a conversation about anything you want to talk about before I decide what your sentence should be. You understand how the process is going to work? All right. Bond is continued.
Thank you, John.
Have a great day.
Okay.
That's all that's ready right now?
Ladies and gentlemen, today's courtroom case features Mr. Hudson, who appeared before the judge facing serious allegations related to intoxicated driving and attempting to flee from law enforcement. According to the court proceedings, prosecutors and the defense reached a plea agreement. Under this deal, Mr. Hudson agreed to plead guilty to 2 charges, operating a vehicle while intoxicated and attempted 4th degree fleeing and eluding. In exchange for his guilty plea, other original charges against him were dismissed by the prosecution. During the hearing, Mr. Hudson admitted that the incident took place on September 22, 2020, in Romulus. Court records revealed that when police officers attempted to stop his vehicle, he failed to pull over as instructed. The prosecution also stated that blood test results later confirmed the presence of intoxicating substances, supporting the impaired driving allegation. The judge carefully reviewed the plea agreement and questioned Mr. Hudson to ensure that his guilty plea was being entered voluntarily and with full understanding of the consequences. After confirming the facts of the case, the court accepted the plea. However, the case is not over yet. Before a final sentence can be imposed, Mr. Hudson has been ordered to meet with the probation department. Officials will conduct an interview, review his background, and prepare a pre-sentence investigation report. This report will help the judge determine the appropriate punishment at a future sentencing hearing. For now, Mr. Hudson's bond remains in effect, allowing him to remain out of custody while awaiting sentencing. The final outcome of the case will depend on the judge's review of the probation report and all relevant circumstances surrounding the incident. Will Mr. Hudson receive probation, fines, or a more severe penalty? That decision will be made when he returns to court for sentencing. Stay tuned for more courtroom updates and real legal cases.